Hey everybody, Joe Barton with the Puckhouse Morning Skate for Friday, December 14th in a big battle of the top teams in the Atlantic. The Tampa Bay Lightning over the Toronto Maple Leafs 4-1. First game back, Mr. Vasilevskiy stood on his head in net for Tampa Bay. Incredible saves. They win 4-1. In a big battle in Western Canada, how about this? Winnipeg Jets in overtime, 5-4 over the Oilers. Morrissey with the game winner for the Winnipeg Jets. Colton Sissons with the overtime winner, 4-3. The Predators over the Vancouver Canucks in Nashville. And you had the Sharks over the Stars, 3-2. Timo Meier with a pair for San Jose. Bye-bye.